Welcome to AI Beat, where we track the pulse of the artificial intelligence revolution. Today's story is one of reckoning. The initial explosive gold rush of generative AI is giving way to something new, a great re-evaluation. The hype is being replaced by hard data. The undisputed leader is being challenged, and the biggest questions about AI's ultimate value are being asked at the highest levels. The theme for August 1st, 2025 is a market that is maturing, diversifying, and asking itself what this all really means. Let's start with a development that would have been unthinkable just a year ago, a change at the top. For the first time, OpenAI is not the undisputed leader in the enterprise AI space. New data shows that Anthropic has surged ahead, now commanding a 32% market share among businesses. This is a monumental shift. It signals that the enterprise market is no longer a one-horse race. Businesses are now making sophisticated choices based on a variety of factors. Perhaps it's Anthropic's focus on safety and constitutional AI, a more favorable pricing model, or specific performance advantages for their use cases. Whatever the reason, the result is clear. Competition is here, it is fierce, and the market is diversifying. This market share battle is happening against a backdrop of absolutely explosive overall growth. In the first half of 2025 alone, generative AI applications doubled their revenue and reached a staggering 1.7 billion downloads. The pie is getting bigger at an incredible rate, but the battle for who gets the biggest slice is now a real contest. This is the hallmark of a maturing market. But as the market matures and the revenue pours in, the fundamental questions about AI's true, lasting impact are getting louder. And now, those questions are being asked in the halls of one of the world's most powerful financial institutions. Economists at the Federal Reserve are at a crossroads, debating the true revolutionary potential of generative AI. The question they are asking is profound. Is AI a foundational invention like the electric dynamo? Something that will remake the very structure of our economy and usher in decades of productivity growth? Or is it more like the light bulb, a brilliant, world-changing innovation, but one with a more limited, though still significant, impact on overall productivity? The fact that this debate is happening at the Fed is incredibly significant. It tells us that for all the impressive demos and billions of downloads, the widespread sustained economic impact of AI is not yet a proven fact. This uncertainty has massive implications for long-term investment, national policy, and our understanding of the future of work. This high-level economic debate is reflected in the ongoing ground-level discussions about AI's impact on jobs. The continuous analysis of which roles are being augmented and which are being automated is the real-world manifestation of the Fed's theoretical question. Are we becoming more productive because of AI, or are we simply replacing human labor? The answer is still being written. While these big questions are being debated, the practical real-world applications of AI continue to spread into critical sectors. In a clear example of AI delivering tangible value, Symphony AI has just announced that it is using generative AI to enhance its payment fraud detection systems. This isn't about writing a poem or creating a clever image. This is about tackling a multi-billion-dollar criminal enterprise. By deploying AI to identify complex fraudulent patterns, companies are seeing a clear and immediate return on their investment. This is precisely the kind of high-value application that is driving the enterprise market shifts we saw with Anthropic. We are also seeing AI tools become more specialized and refined. The introduction of a study mode for ChatGPT is a perfect example of tailoring a general-purpose tool for a specific, valuable use case. This trend towards customization is another sign of a maturing ecosystem, moving from a one-size-fits-all approach to a suite of specialized solutions. However, this widespread deployment is also uncovering new and deeply complex problems. A worrying new trend has been observed. AI models may be learning each other's bad behaviors. As AI-generated content fills the internet, future AI models trained on that data run the risk of creating a feedback loop, amplifying existing biases, errors, or stylistic quirks. This concept of model collapse is a major technical and ethical hurdle that the industry must overcome to ensure the long-term reliability and trustworthiness of these systems. So, what is the clear picture on August 1st, 2025? We are at a crucial inflection point. The undisputed market leader has been challenged, proving the market is vibrant and competitive. The ultimate economic value of this entire revolution is being seriously and publicly questioned by our most sober institutions. And while practical, high-value applications are booming, new and difficult challenges are emerging from the very success of the technology. The story of AI is no longer just about what's new, it's about what's real. The great re-evaluation is underway, and its outcome will define the true shape of our AI-powered future. Thank you for tuning in to AI Beat. Join us next time as we continue to track the developments shaping our world.